welcome to Epic More Show. Today we are really excited to have you as our #1 audience. Today we are introducing a wonderful package we have for you, Igbology and Cultural Heritage Studies. Not just teaching you how to read and write Igbo language. It is a transformational study that will take you from understanding, learning both the language, both the culture, both the art and craft and skills, and understanding the DNA of an Igbo person. The Igbo person is created, designed to be a solution. In this school of thought, Igbo means to solve. Igbo, to solve. Igbo, mkpa, to solve a problem. In life, value is more defined by the solution you provide. Services are all about the solution you provide. So the higher the solution, the higher the value and the higher the currency. You understand it? So in this Igbology and Cultural Heritage Studies, you're going to understand the concept of solution, understand the place of our heritages in bringing about productivity, the concept of Igbo-ness in solving problems, the concept of Igbo-ness in packaging a product, in packaging a service that is a solution based. And you can't afford to miss this masterclass. Join us every Wednesday on Epic More Show to enjoy more. Do well to subscribe and give us thumbs up. Stay tuned and understand we're here to make you smile and ruin the path of success. Thank you very much. I remain your favorite host, Ambassador Kelvin. Thank you for watching.